In this shocking footage taken by researchers, a seal forces itself on a helpless king penguin. Scientists at the Mammal Research Institute on Marion Island in the sub-Antarctic Indian Ocean recorded these rare events as they carried out their routine observation of seals and killer whales. The first unusual behaviour they'd noticed is in the way seals hunted penguins on the island.
This fur seals, especially Antarctic fur seals, eating king penguins and other species of penguins on Marion Island. It's fairly unique on Marion in that they do it on land, so not in the inshore waters. They actually come onto the beach, they attack and kill penguins, and then they eat them.
They first saw an Antarctic fur seal trying to mate with a king penguin in 2006. Since then, they've witnessed the bizarre interspecies interaction on a further 3 occasions, and their observations recorded in the scientific journal Polar Biology. After the first sighting, they had their theories about why this behaviour might have occurred.
So we can only speculate as to why this behaviour is taking place. We know that in that first occasion that the seal was seen with this penguin, then the penguin was let go, the penguin went off fine. And the hypothesis on that occasion, in consequence to the fact that we have seen these seals eat king penguins, that perhaps this hunting behavior or this hunting instinct had been redirected to a sexual behavior.
But then further sightings of the unusual behaviour have led them to rethink their earlier theory.
After one of the occasions where the seal sexually harassed the penguin, the seal actually killed and ate parts of the penguin. So that sort of throws that hypothesis on its head.
They've also ruled out failure of mate recognition and simple sexual frustration on the part of the young males unable to compete for a mate.
So one of the hypotheses that we have is that this is aberrant behaviour in 1 or 2 seals, perhaps one seal at some particular time in the past. Other young males observed this behaviour, and by the time that they were at that stage and all of these components were together, these higher testosterone levels, this breeding season pressure, and all of the signals, the environmental cues telling them you have to mate with something now. Perhaps then this learned behaviour from something they've observed in the past has then come through. But it's speculative. We really don't know this. But the fact that it's occurred more frequently now in the last few years as opposed to 20 years of it never being observed tells us that perhaps this is learned behaviour.
Of the 4 recorded incidents, only 1 penguin died. The others were released and rejoined the other penguins. It's not known if the birds were male or female.